Hey everyone, it's Jessie. I wanted to quick come on and share with you a pretty big milestone. Not long ago, I reached monetization. So that means right now we have access to things like super thanks, super chats, and super stickers, and also memberships. Now I know the super chats and super stickers are things that you would use in a live, but I have not had a live on my channel yet. I do plan to have some lives hopefully coming soon within the next few months. And as far as the memberships go, I don't know a whole lot about memberships yet. So I don't have that turned on yet. I decided to keep it off for now until I have a plan in place and until I start feeling a little bit better. I just want to make sure that I have, content or things that you would enjoy for memberships before I go about that. Now, I could not have met this milestone at all if it was not for all of you. So I want to take some time to truly thank you. Thank you so much for always being here, for liking my videos, watching my videos, the comments, lovely comments that you all leave me, and also for having patience during a time that I've been struggling with some health issues and I'm not being very consistent on my channel with the videos like I really would like to be. And even though I haven't been consistent, you guys have still been there. You guys are still watching my videos, sharing my videos, and it really means the world to me, and I just thank you so much. Anything that I do make through monetization, I would love to invest back into this channel so I can bring you more content, yarn, videos about yarn, projects, tutorials, that kind of thing. I'm currently working on trying to get to the next step of monetization, which is unlocking ad revenue. Watching any of my videos all the way through really helps me get there, and I would really appreciate your support. Now, some things I have coming up on my channel. I do have a couple tutorials that will be coming out soon, some granny square tutorials, so be on the lookout for that. I'm also participating in a collaboration called DIVAS. Teresa from Critters Crochet and Shannon from the Spoonie Stitcher have put this collaboration together, and it's all 70s themed. There are a lot of creators that are joining in. We are all making projects inspired by the 70s, which is really fun. And throughout the months of September and October, every week there will be creators posting videos about their projects. So I'm going to, in the description below, I will list all the creators that are joining in so you can go ahead and check out their channels. And I'll also have information in the description on how you can join too. It's not just creators. If you want to make a project inspired by the 70s, feel free to do so. Another exciting thing is that I'll be testing some dishcloths for Knit Pal again. They're smaller dishcloths than before, and I think it might be 2 knit and 2 crochet. Very exciting. I might do a small little video on that. I'll also have a video showing some of my finished projects. And now I just have to decide what's going to be next on my hooks, whether it's knit or crochet or both. If you guys have any ideas for me, I would love to hear all about it in the comments. And I'd also love to hear what you're working on. Thank you again so much for helping me to reach my first milestone of monetization. It really means the world to me that you all have been supporting my channel. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.